If you're looking to use ElevenLabs for whispering, ElevenLabs has a great solution for you. So the first one, of course, is going to be voice cloning your own whisper. And to do that, you want to go to voices and add a new voice. You can also voice design a calming or whispering voice, but the best results are going to be your voice clone and feed it lots of samples of a whispered voice. And the professional voice clone, of course, is going to have the best quality. But for people who don't want to clone their voice, there is some pre-existing whispering voices. So if we type in ASMR, we can see there's two voices that you can actually use that are ASMR or whispering. So we can see Ethan right here.
Yesterday's home runs don't win today's games.
And we can see this is a perfect whispering voice for all of your ASMR needs. Nicole even has one as well.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
So there you have it, a male and a female whispering voice.